In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish your Shopify store. First, head over to your Shopify store dashboard. Once you're there, click on Online Store from the left-hand menu and then select the third option listed, which is Preferences. After clicking that, you'll see a section titled Password Protection along with a toggle box. If your store is still on a free trial, the toggle option will be grayed out and you'll see an option prompting you to pick a plan. Go ahead and subscribe to a plan, and once you've done that, the toggle option will become active. Disable it to remove the password protection. Next, enter your brand name in the homepage title box. Beneath that, type in a meta description that briefly describes your store. Both the homepage title and the meta description help people find your store online, especially through search engines. The meta description appears just below your homepage title when your store appears in search results. You can also upload your brand logo as the image in this section. Once you've completed all these details, scroll down and click Save in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once saved, your online store will be open to the public and officially published. And that's how you can publish your Shopify store.